My research focuses on one-carbon metabolism in women's health, and we explore the role of B12 and folate in the etiology of anemia and neural tube defects. And I also work on the design of randomized trials to improve the health of mothers and young children. I'm so honored and grateful to the American Society of Nutrition Foundation and the Novo Nordisk Foundation for this incredible honor. I just am filled with such gratitude for this opportunity. I think it's really exciting to highlight the mechanisms and the translation of evidence to inform clinical and public health guidelines, and I'm really honored to be part of it.
It's just so exciting to be able to support a career of an individual like this. You know what? She is remarkable, but she's not the only one. So we have lots of people who we hope that we can benefit over the course of our expanding the program for young investigators and mid-career investigators. But she's a keeper.